I played something and it was like really bad quality. But I think it was just like...
It was like really bad quality.
It was.
Sonny Daniel Enterprises.
You need to let them eyebrows grow in thick, man.
I don't want them to be touching though.
Let them touch, man.
Try to play me like a pussy nigga and it won't work. Trouble with the stock, it's gon' kick, but it won't hurt.
This is a good thing you're intelligent, man, because if you weren't, that would be... You know some people can't do this shit, man? Yeah, man. It was like so many people, it was like a joke where IKEA furniture was so hard to put together. It's like, it's not even that hard, though. Bruh.
Now we have to put these little guys. Where are these little guys, Sonny? These little guys, Sonny. You stronger than the electric drill? Damn!
At least we finally got the border done.
Border.
The one side border.
Southern border.
Okay, yeah, now we gotta do this side. It says to... Wait, can we tilt it over there? Or is it telling us not to?
Vlog life. Vlog is life. Vlog is eternally life. Teamwork make the dream work. Stepping on the beach. There we go, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have that stepping on the beach action going. Done, 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 done. Mary, take this shit for granted.
Okay, now I need to put those things in there.
What you talking about?
These things.
What you talking about?
Sonny!
I don't know what you talking about. Ain't no break, bitch.
Sonny! There's one right here too! So, when I put this over here, I was thinking this would fit next to my vanity if I move my vanity down. I said when I move this over here, I realized that I could probably fit this next to my vanity. Because this plus this equals this.
Did we do it? Bruh. I should have probably put it in. Bruh.
20 minutes later.
Wait.
Bruh. Let me try it, man. Let me try it here. Let me get it. High five. We just had to tilt it.
Like I'm a boss ass bitch.
The confidence, though. Title of this female. Title of this female.
Title of this email.
Title of this female.
Whoa, she a control freak, but I don't let that girl control me. I think I'd rather just be lonely. Girl, why you acting like you own me? Whoa, she a control freak, but I don't let that girl control me. No, she wasn't fucking with the old me. Yeah, girl, why you acting like you own me? Whoa. Girl, I got my girl, I got.
Use my ass and titties for views.
That's exactly what I do.
On the move, girl, I'm always on the move. Why you trip about these hoes like you don't fuck with other dudes? Why you always so aggressive? Why you always in the mood? I can't keep that shit around me. Need to fix your attitude, shawty, fuck that. If you ain't overthinking this, then what you call that? She turned into a different girl when I don't call back. Another day, another fit of raging all caps. All that shit you said, you take it all back. Don't know what's on your mind when you keep blowing up my line. Cause you just been scrolling through my likes and I got you holding up my life. Said who this bitch here on the right? Is that bitch there that you left? You be coming at my neck and I don't mean no disrespect, but girl, you act like I owe you something. That guilt trip shit won't do nothing. I've been on my word now, you been in my face now. Don't got time to change now, so girl, you get replaced. She a control freak,